Hello, good morning dear students. Today we will learn about how to measure the sides of the polygon as well as how to find their perimeter. So here I have brought one question for you. The question is measure the sides of the following figures and also find their perimeter. So students, here you are provided with two different questions. One is your triangle, another is your quadrilateral. So students, your task is to measure each sides of this polygon and then you need to find their perimeter. So विद्यार्थीहरू क्वेसनमा हजुरहरूलाई दुईवटा विभिन्न फिगरहरू दिएको छ र हजुरहरूले प्रत्येक फिगरको प्रत्येक साइड मेजर गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, नाप्नुपर्ने हुन्छ र तिनीहरूको पेरिमिटर पत्ता लगाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. So students, let's begin from question A. As you can see, question number A is triangle ABC. We all know triangle has three sides. So let's measure all the three sides. Starting from AB, let's first measure the side AB. So students, as I have already told you how to measure the length of line segments, here I have kept my ruler parallel to AB. Look at, I have kept parallel to AB. You are not supposed to keep like this. You are not supposed to keep like this. Here you have to just keep your ruler parallel to AB. AB को parallel में राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. And students, this is your 0. 0 you should keep it at A, at first end point. पहिलो end point मा 0 राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Students, look at here. I have kept 0 at A and my ruler is parallel to AB. Now I will read up to B. अब मैले B सम्म काम गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. B exactly lies here at 2. As we can see, B ठ्याक्कै 2 मा lie गरेको छ. This is 0, 1, 2. So students, here the length of AB is 2 centimeter. Now similarly, let's measure the length of BC. To measure BC, I need to keep 0 at B and the ruler parallel to BC. So as you can see, C is just lying at 4. C ठिक 4 मा रहेको छ. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So students, the length of BC is 4 centimeter. Now let's measure AC. To measure AC, I need to keep 0 at A. So students, you can see I have kept 0 at A and C is lying exactly at 4. Once again, C is lying at 4. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of AC is also 4 centimeter. So now students, let's note all the measures, all the length in solution. So students, before writing solution, always write the polygon, name of the polygon. So students, this is a triangle. Let's name it in triangle ABC. So students, here this is the symbol of triangle. The triangle को symbol हो in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC मा. Now what is the length of AB? Length of AB is 2 cm. Now what is the length of BC? BC is 4 cm. Length of AC? AC is also 4 cm. So students, here I have noted all the lengths. Now according to the question, we need to find their perimeter too. So students, before finding perimeter, let's understand the concept of perimeter here. Perimeter is simply the sum of all the sides of the polygon. विद्यार्थीहरू, पेरिमिटर भनेको कुनै पनि पोलिगनको सबै साइड्सलाई हामीले यदि सम गर्यौं भने, कुनै पनि पोलिगनको सबै साइड्सहरूलाई हामीले यदि जोड्यौं भने हामीले पेरिमिटर पाउन सकिन्छ. So students, perimeter, to find perimeter, simply we need to add all the lengths of the polygon. So let's find it. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to find perimeter we need to add AB, BC and CA. विद्यार्थीहरु, हामीले पेरिमिटर निकाल्न AB plus BC plus CA गर्छौं. AB plus BC plus CA. AB is 2 centimeter. We need to keep their value. BC, length of BC is 4 centimeter, as we can see, plus CA is 4 centimeter. So let's add 2 cm plus 4 cm is 6 cm. 6 cm plus 4 cm is 10 cm. So students, in this way the perimeter of this triangle ABC is 10 centimeter. So students, let's move towards next question. Question number B. As you can see, question number B is the polygon which special name is quadrilateral, as because it has 4 sides, 1 2 3 4. So let's first measure the sides. I would like to begin from PQ. So students, as you can see, the length of PQ is exactly 2 centimeter. Now let's measure QR. Let's measure QR, students. You can see QR is exactly 4 centimeter. This is 0 1 2 3 4. Let's measure SR. You can see, students, SR is also exactly lying at 2 centimeter. So SR is also 2 centimeter. Now let's measure PS. So students, you can see PS is also exactly 4 centimeter. Here I have kept 0 at P. Now if we read up to S, S is lying exactly at 4 centimeter. So students, now let's do solution in quadrilateral PQRS. So students, this is the symbol of quadrilateral PQRS. Length of PQ is, you can. So students, the measure of PQ is 2 centimeter. Now let's write the length of QR. QR is, you can see, 4 centimeter. SR you can see it is 2 centimeter, and similarly SP you can see it is 4 centimeter. So students, now let's find its perimeter. Perimeter of quadrilateral PQRS. As I have already told you students, perimeter is simply the sum of all the sides. To find perimeter, now we will add the length of all the sides. We will add PQ, QR, RS and SP. So PQ plus QR plus another side is RS plus last one is SP. So students, let's keep the value of PQ. You can see PQ is 2 centimeter. QR you can see it is 4 centimeter plus SR you can see it is 2 centimeter plus SP you can see it is 4 centimeter. So let's add 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is. So students, 2 cm plus 4 cm is 6 cm, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So in this way the perimeter of this quadrilateral PQRS is 12 centimeter. So students, hope you have understood very well. So this much for today. In the next class we will do some more questions related to this chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.